Hello everybody. Thank you very much for joining the team of InfoPulse for our webinar today. My name is Yevgen Mikhnenko. I'm the Business Development Manager of InfoPulse, and today I'm accompanied by my colleague Alexander Sabakar, who is the tech lead in the PACE development team of InfoPulse. Today we are going to introduce to you the new release of PACE Suite 4.0, which was issued 2 weeks ago. As I see from the list of audience, the majority of the audience are already the users of PACE Suite, so we will not dwell or go deep into the information of the product in detail. And for those who only plan to start using the product, we propose, first of all, to watch our previous webinar dedicated to the previous release of PACE Suite 3.5, and to contact us directly to get a 30-day trial license to test the product, to request and enjoy the product demo for you and your colleagues, and to receive the recommendation on which license to purchase. So back to the release 4.0. Today we will run for you a short demonstration on the new product functionality, and from what will be demonstrated to you related to PACE, you will see how to manage various package resources like files, folders, registry entries, etc., how to specify the virtualization levels for the folders and registry keys, how to update product details like application name, version publishing, etc., and a list of other minor but very important features of the new release of PACE Suite. In addition to the variable functionality available in the previous version of PACE Suite, meaning the previous versions before the release 3.5 and in the release 3.5 issued in February of the current year, the 4.0 release is actually the response of InfoPulse, better to say a long-awaited response to the huge market demand for full support of Microsoft Application Virtualization, AppV 5.x. In fact, PACE Suite version 4.0 allows the creation and editing AppV 5 packages. So now, at this point, I would like to give the floor to my colleague Alexander, or Alex. Alex, I'm making you the presenter right now. Please tell me if you have the control.
Thank you again. I'm here. Okay. Today we are going to see capturing and creating AppV 5 application using the latest version of PACE Suite 4.0. So I'm starting MSI generator. Don't be confused because MSI generator is a common entry point for all possible packages: MSI, MST, AppV, Synap. So for our demo, we have taken the latest version Mozilla Firefox, and we found some recommendations for sequencing Mozilla Firefox. You can see it. You can see the following recommended exclusions for sequencing Mozilla Firefox for Microsoft Sequencer. So let's implement them for our exclusions. For it, we click Settings, Exclusion Files. You can see all predefined exclusion filters. And let's create own exclusion filter. For example, Firefox AppV. Click Create. And let's create a Data Mozilla folder and implement it to exclusions. For it, we have to create exclusion like regular expression format. I click Add Location of Data Mozilla with // click OK and save. You can see our our filter in the list. The other exclusions are already present in predefined exclusion filters. I'm clicking Save, and we can start create package, choosing snapshots method. I'm untick permissions because it doesn't matter for virtual package. So I'm specifying where our installation is, Firefox setup, and we are waiting for the first snapshot is completed. I'm keep checkbox to launch application automatically when the first snapshot is completed. So we can see our application, our setup of our application is started. Click Next. Let's perform standard installation, install. Waiting for the installation is complete. Untick this checkbox and click Finish. And now we can start second snapshot. Actually, it is regular routine activity when you create any package. So now MSI generator creates second snapshot, comparing first and second, and we are waiting for MSI generator creates own MSI generator project that base it on difference between first and second snapshot. So finally we have got the generator project. You can see that this is available all possible package types. I'm choosing AppV because of topic our presentation. Below you can see list of possible AppV5 package formats. I'm choosing 5.1, the latest version. You can give some package name, for example, Firefox and version. Here you can add some description and choose primary virtual application directory. By default, it is not used, but for recommendation, it should be main directory. I'm choosing Mozilla Firefox in program files folder. On the left side, you can see some streaming options for slow networks. Also, you can choose target operating system from list. And you can see some advanced options. These all options are the same like you can see in Microsoft Sequencer. So let's look at files and registry tabs. They both have new option for AppV. If you click on some folder, you can choose override local directory or merge with local directory. The same behavior you can see. You can see AppV options for registry, override local key or merge local key. It defines how to virtual directory or registry will view with local system. On system resources, you can see captured one service You can see it started with local system account, so it could be virtualized. On Shortcuts tab, you can include or exclude all possible shortcuts. And on FTAs tab, you can create some file type association. So now we can start build our FV package. You can see all current steps here. And now saving projects per package. And we can use this button to go to FV folder. So you can see regular FV package that contains FV virtual package, MSI for deployment, and XML configurations file for deployment and starting this application. So now I'm closing our MSI generator window, and I will try to open it, open FV file. I'm double-clicking on FV file, and now MSI generator is creating new project. And from this point you can choose any possible type of package. I'm choosing FV. You can see we don't have any exclusions because they are not present in a pre-file. And now you can create or rebuild FV file. I'm building again. Save and package. So operation was completed successfully, and closing my project. You can see we have two projects because in second case we opened FV file. So let's try to open FV file using just 7-zip like archive. And let's look at APX manifest XML. You can see that when you regenerate FV file, version has been increased. You can see 0002 version, and the version ID was also regenerated. So now I suggest to open some virtual package that was created by Microsoft Sequencer. It was the same application, Microsoft, it was Mozilla Firefox. So I'm reverting my virtual machine, and now it starts. So we have already created Firefox by Sequencer, and let's open it by MSI generator. As you know, once you click app.v file, MSI generator creates own project. And from this point, you can create any package. And you can see this all resources that was captured by Microsoft Sequencer. So I'm choosing, for example, let's create MSI from app.v file. I'm clicking Build MSI. And you can see all steps in this window. So fill in tables, and our MSI has done. So let's go to folder that contains our MSI, and let's install this MSI on our system. Waiting for installation is completed. And so we have installed real application on our system. You can see Mozilla Firefox on our system. This is some self-healing process. And we have our real application that we got from app.v. So it works. Okay, in summary, today we have seen capturing, editing, and generating application virtualization packages using our latest version of PACE suite. We performed some kind of reverse process. We opened virtual package and was created by Microsoft Sequencer in MSI generator, and we rebuilt it to MSI package and successfully installed on target machine. So also I would like to say in this release some bugs have been fixed. Thanks a lot to our customers for their feedbacks, bug reports, and just their suggestions. So, okay, Evgen, now you have the floor.
Thank you very much, Alex, for this wonderful presentation of the demo of the new functionality. I will switch now the screen to myself. Wait a second, it takes some time. Can you see? Yeah, okay, here we go. So to the audience of the webinar, I would like to remind that you are welcome to ask us any questions. You can do it either directly during this webinar in the chat box, or you can address any questions to our through our website to us, to Alex, to myself personally, or directly to me. The contact information will be given in the end of the webinar. So now I would like to move to the last, and actually to the smallest part of the shortest part of the webinar. It is dedicated to the licensing terms and conditions and to the PACE suite purchase details, for those who, of course, are not very much familiar with them. So as for the licenses, PACE suite is available in 3 editions, license editions. These are PACE suite Freelancer, PACE suite Enterprise, and PACE suite Service Provider. Actually, PaySuite Freelancer is meant for the self-employed engineers, application packaging engineers, or consultants who are doing these services contractually to different end customers. PaySuite Enterprise is for any enterprise for the internal application packaging, regular application packaging needs, and software migration challenges. And PaySuite Service Provider is the license for the companies who deliver application packaging and application management services to their end customers, and doing that by means of PaySuite. For all the three types license editions, the functionality is the same, and the type of license is also the same. Each and every edition is a user-based license. PaySuite Freelancer is a bit different, while it is bound to the named user, and only the user who has purchased the PaySuite Freelancer license can be using it. While for corporate customers, PaySuite Enterprise and PaySuite Service Provider, it is meant that any expert, any application packaging engineer can be using the license, provided that only one license can be used by one user of PaySuite at the enterprise, meaning that the number of application packaging engineers using PACE has to correspond to the number of licenses purchased. The difference is also in the price. So as you can see from our website and as demonstrated here, so the type of the PaySuite Freelancer cost is 1,199 euro, PaySuite Enterprise 1,699 euro, and PaySuite Service Provider is 2,499 euro. If you are a non-profit governmental organization or an educational establishment, school, college, or university, please contact us directly and you will be impressed by our discounts. If your term of PaySuite license is running to an end in the upcoming days or months, we advise you to procure a yearly maintenance for you. A yearly maintenance gives you the possibility, first of all, to enjoy our PaySuite support service in the first place, and of course, to be automatically updated to the new releases, which are planned. One more release is planned for this year, and the releases are planned for end of winter, start of spring, approximately in 2017. As for purchasing the licenses, you can do it in three different ways. First one, either go directly to paysuite.com and do the online purchase in a couple of clicks. You can also contact us and get a quote depending upon your corporate purchasing policies. And also we would like to address you to our authorized reselling partners. So if you are located in Sweden, it is the company Coronation. If you are located in the US, it is the company Roadmap Technologies. If you are from Switzerland, it is the company Clearbyte GmbH. If you are listening to us from Australia, it is the company Thomas Durea Consulting. And for our German customers, we would like to forward you to our partner company ACP for purchasing the license. So if you have any questions, if you have any comments to the PACE functionality, if you would like to advise us on what is missing in PACE and how to improve it, in your opinion, you are more than welcome to contact our PaySuite support team and ask all the questions, address all your questions to my colleagues. I would like to remind to you that PaySuite is a customer-driven product, meaning that we very carefully listen to our customers. We collect the expectations, the wishes, and the comments on the product functionality. We, based on the frequency of similar comments, we make the related amendments to our product backlog, and the result of it appears in the upcoming release, the result of the customer's demands and comments. For any other questions related to purchasing of PACE, to commercial use, to license use, please contact me directly. I would be very glad to answer all questions of yours. Well, thank you very much for your attention, for the time dedicated to the PACE webinar. We wish you a great day and have a successful packaging, of course, using PaySuite. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.